Wondering where to begin your wellness journey? It starts right here, right now, with a commitment to yourself. This is a journey of self-discovery, of making choices that nourish your body and mind. It's about feeling your best, inside and out. Let's take those first steps together. This isn't about fad diets or quick fixes, it's about making sustainable changes that become part of your lifestyle. Small steps taken consistently lead to big results. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's begin. Remember, this is your journey. You set the pace, you choose the path, but you don't have to do it alone. We're here to guide and support you every step of the way. Let's talk about food. What you eat plays a crucial role in how you feel and how your body functions. It's time to ditch the processed junk and embrace whole, nutrient-dense foods. Start by eliminating industrial oils, sugary drinks, and processed foods. These wreak havoc on your system. Cut back on grains, legumes, and high-sugar fruits. They can contribute to inflammation and blood sugar spikes. Instead, load up on nutrient-rich foods. Prioritize animal products, green vegetables, and healthy fats. These provide your body with the building blocks it needs to thrive. Choose unsweetened beverages and explore the benefits of fermented foods and bone broth. Movement is medicine. It's not just about losing weight. It's about feeling energized, strong, and alive. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Don't be afraid to start small. A brisk walk, a bike ride, or even dancing in your living room counts. The key is to move your body consistently. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Listen to your body and don't overdo it, especially when you're starting out. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you get stronger. Remember, every bit of movement counts. Section 4. Beyond diet and exercise, holistic wellness practices. Wellness extends beyond diet and exercise. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. Incorporate practices that promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This is crucial for cell regeneration, hormone balance, and overall health. Explore the benefits of regular fasting. It can help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and promote cellular repair. Embrace the power of sunlight. Exposure to sunlight boosts vitamin D levels, improves mood, and supports healthy sleep patterns. And don't forget about hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body functioning optimally. Section 5. Taking charge. Consistency and personal responsibility. Your wellness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, challenges, and triumphs along the way. The key is to stay consistent with your healthy habits and never give up on yourself. Remember, you are in control of your choices. You have the power to take charge of your health and well-being. It's time to hold yourself accountable and create a life you love. No one is coming to save you. It's all on you. Embrace the challenge. Stay committed to your goals and never underestimate the incredible power you have within. Your health is worth fighting for. Please like and subscribe for more wellness tips.